Yo, yo, what's up, everybody? How's everyone doing?
It gives me a little edge.
What's up, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Good morning, Grand Rising. Get money. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Let me know if you guys can hear me loud and clear. Yo, yo, what's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? I heard myself twice. Let me know if you guys can hear me loud and clear. I want to make sure there's no echo. Loud and clear. Perfect, perfect. All right, we're gonna do something a little bit different today. And usually I mark up my charts like when I live stream. I'm usually just on TradingView, but I want to be even more transparent with you guys. And I want to start trading on my live account, and you guys are going to be able to see, how up I am, and you guys are going to be able to see exactly when I enter my trades and when I'm closing my trades. So as you guys can see, we're doing something a bit different today. You guys can literally see my trade locker account, and I'm not on TradingView. I'm basically on Trade Locker, and whenever I decide to enter a trade, I'm gonna be entering the buys or the sells. So you guys are gonna be able to see, more transparency with my trading. So let me know if you guys like that in the comments or in the chat. And yeah, I just want to be overall more transparent with you guys. This is my 24K markets account. I did a pretty big withdrawal from Sway the other day, and I don't think I'll be using Sway anymore. Overall, it was a great broker. I never had any problems with it. Just 24K markets specializes mostly on gold. It's basically the gold standard broker in the industry right now, and it uses Trade Locker. Sway uses another platform called DX Trades, which I didn't really like. It was giving me too many issues. So I just decided to go with 24K since they have Trade Locker, and the platform that I use is Alpha Trader, which they also use Trade Locker. So might as well, just stick with Trade Locker. Have just one platform for everything that I use, and that's going to be Trade Locker. Unfortunately, a lot of these brokers are not going to be on MetaTrader anymore. So the alternative is to use Trade Locker. And overall, the Trade Locker platform does look super nice. I'm literally on it on the computer right now, and it looks really nice. It's pretty modern. It has the same charting system as TradingView. So overall, I think we're gonna be doing pretty good here on Trade Locker. And yeah, guys, I overall just wanted to show or be a little bit more transparent with you guys when it comes to my trades, and pretty much how I'm trading on the live streams. Also, for this account, I'm gonna put it on an FX book so you guys can monitor the trades and see exactly everything I do. Switch to Top Step futures. Prop from account are super cheap. Rules are really nice. Man, if it's super cheap, I don't want it. I don't want anything that's cheap. I want the best everything. Nah, but yeah, I've heard about Top Step. That's something that I would do if I were to switch to futures. For me, bro, like honestly, Forex pays me. I've been able to do $50,000 withdrawals payouts, a month. So why switch what's working for me? I see a lot of traders over here, trading futures or moving to futures, and that's because they weren't profitable in Forex. I mean, that's the only way I can put it out there. A lot of these gurus out there on Instagram switching to futures is because they were never profitable in the first place in Forex, and they just want to move to a whole different industry, thinking that they're going to be profitable there. In reality, if you don't put that discipline in Forex, you're not going to be disciplined in futures. That's how I see it. Overall, futures is more regulated. It's fire. It's nice. But if you're not profitable in one market, don't expect to be profitable in the other one just because you're switching from market to market. That's how I see it. Gold stopped out and then kept buying. Yeah, bro. Gold's been playing with our emotions recently. I can even take my positions on TradingView. Yeah, I know. TopStep is actually a good platform to use. I've heard nothing but good things about TopStep. All right, let's see what's gold doing here in the 1 hour time frame. I don't really like what gold's doing, man. It's the same thing. It's the fact that it's regulated, really. Yeah, I know. It's pretty much the same thing. Try to get 20 people on the live stream. The view's been going down recently. I don't know what's been going on. It's probably because I haven't really been consistent with the live streams lately. Like last week, I did a live stream, and I started the live stream a bit late today. So I was setting up a few things. But I mean, if there's no setup, there's no setup, right? Like this whole last week, I couldn't even trade. The market's just been super choppy. The whole war thing going on, it's been terrible. Gold's more than likely gonna reach 2381 and probably remain inside this range until Jerome Powell or JP speaks at 1 p.m. today. 1 second, let me check the fundamentals, see what's going on today. Today, April 16. We have a lot of news today. 8:30, we had CAD CPI, red folder. 9 a.m. we have industrial production, orange folder, and at 9:15 for the US dollar. And then 1 p.m. we have 1:15 JP Jerome Powell speaks, and we have FOMC member Barkin speaks. Yeah, we have a few red folders at 1 p.m. So I'll be doing a live stream, a live trading in the VIP Sig room in the Discord for everybody who's in the VIP. All the VIP students will be able to trade with me at 1 p.m. And yeah, pretty much that's all we got today. Will probably be a slow morning since we only have like yellow folders. And that's pretty much it. And then at 1 p.m., the market might be looking nice. I think you would kill it with them. Yeah, it's my style of trading. Top Step, I was looking at their rules, and their rules are pretty nice. It's literally the style of trading that I trade. So, let's look at another pair. Let me see what's going on here. Look at NASDAQ. Let's look at NAS 100. What's NAS 100 doing? Ooh, NASDAQ had a breakout towards the upside. Break and retest, and it might keep pushing up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we had a range here in NAS. We got a breakout out of the range. Retest. Probably, try to stop on all the people who got into the late buys. Now it's pushing back up. What do you guys think is gonna do? What do you guys think NAS is gonna do right now? I think we could potentially buy, if I'm being honest with you guys. 4-hour time frame. Now the 4-hour doesn't look too nice though. We get a closure above these previous highs, 17,760, then I might be going for the buys. Just so we can avoid all of that manipulation, you get me? Imagine if we would have entered the buys here. Market came back down and we would have been stopped out. So just to avoid any further, manipulation, let's try to get a breakout candle closure above this level, to avoid any fake outs as much as possible. And then, we pretty much have a clear range towards the left-hand side. NASDAQ does look pretty nice. Try Apex with 300K funding in future. Yeah, Apex is another nice one that I've heard about. Apex and Top Step are they're almost the same thing. Look how it's moving. Let's look at US 30. They're all moving very, very choppy, guys. They're not even moving in ranges. They're moving in trends. I'm waiting for the opening bell, but I definitely see it pushing up today. Yeah, if we decide to trade NAS, then let's wait for 9:30. See what ends up happening. Do believe we could have a bullish day with NAS 100. Then look what US 30 is doing. US 30 looks like it pushed down. US 30's been very, very bearish recently. Apex is rough because they have unrealized trading drawdown. GJ probably not even gonna touch it today. Just looks very choppy overall. Don't like it. US 30, I'm gonna have to wait for a breakout off of out of this range. Gold, gold, same thing. Gold looks very, very choppy. We get a mini a trend breakout towards the downside. Be the setup I would be looking for here. Nas is the one that looks the cleanest today. These are the four instruments that I'll be looking at, guys. GJ, US 30, gold, NAS. We can find any setup for any of them. We will be trading them today. These are currently my markups for gold. I'm expecting a breakout towards the downside. Of course, we need, trend line break. US 30, we need channel break. Channel is pretty big. It's pretty wide, so I don't think it'll happen today. It'll probably just bounce off of the resistance of the channel and then remain inside the channel, unless we gain some volatility at a opening bell at 9:30 or during Jerome Powell in the afternoon. For gold, I just went over it. GJ looks choppy. I don't really even want to trade it. But NAS 100, we could get a potential breakout off of this small range here on the downside to mitigate, according to smart money traders, this big imbalance and, fill up all these order stores are left. Gonna be hopping on the live trading floor, guys. I mean, yeah, the live trading floor for my VIP students. One second. You still loving the new car? You gonna do any mods to it? Yeah, so I'm probably gonna wrap it very soon. Downpipes, get new rims on it. It's pretty much all I'm gonna do to it. Don't wanna do too much right now. I mean, the car already came tuned. It's already twin turbo V8. There's not much I can really do to it. It's already pretty fast, and it sounds amazing. So M3 soon, possibly. I'm getting something. I sold the Audi that I had as my daily. Pretty boring car. So I'm gonna be getting something soon. I just don't know what. There's a lot of options. What's up? What's up, Nico? Let me see. I can't hear you. I sold the Audi that I had as my daily. Pretty boring car. I hear an echo in my computer, man. Hold up. Getting something soon. I just don't know what. There's a lot of options. Oh, it's because I have my. Okay. Yo, hello, hello.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you now. I had the volume down because I was hearing an echo, but I fixed it. What's up?
Yeah, bro. Gold really stopped us out and kept climbing up.
Yeah, man, gold's been moving very ugly recently. I'm not gonna lie. This whole war situation, it's got gold moving very, very ugly.
Yeah, bro, it doesn't help it at all.
What do you think of Nas right now? Nas 100.
I like it. We just gotta get that break above that
Yeah,
resistance that it made.
that
But
resistance looks
if
very
it
nice.
breaks it, that's a lot of clean range to the left.
Yep.
That's the move I'm honestly hoping for. Like, if we find something on gold, but this one actually looks very nice.
Yeah.
But it's just like consolidating. I think the markets are just like this because of Powell speaking at 1 p.m.
Yeah. US 30 looks. I don't know. We
I don't
can.
look at US 30. I don't like it.
You're scared of it?
Nah, like I genuinely am. It just moves too crazy.
Yeah. US 30 moves very choppy in comparison to gold. Because sometimes it's that time of the year where the markets just flip out of nowhere. You know, gold starts moving choppy and then US 30 starts moving clean. This setup looks nice, right?
I've had too many bad experiences with US 30, so
Same.
I'd rather not even like look at it. But I mean, if you start trading it, then I gotta adapt. So I'm not against it either.
Yeah. That's the key to success, bro. You gotta adapt to new market conditions and pretty much whatever the market gives us.
And yeah,
15-minute on US 30 looks nice. Nas, I would prefer that breakout towards the upside. But I don't know if that's gonna happen now, to be honest. And then gold, let's see what's going on with gold.
gold literally like pushed up and then did the same thing it did to us.
Yeah. If you can tell, it's just been trending recently. That's pretty much all it's been doing. It just trends. So even if we get a breakout, it just comes back down because it's trending. So it's not
Yeah.
moving. It's not moving from zone to zone like it usually does. Like it's not moving. Let's say it doesn't form a breakout, then expands. No, it just forms little trends, little mini trends in the smaller
Yeah.
time frames to grab pretty much every liquidity. It's just moving so weird.
I don't even know how you trade this. Like, I guess catching it at the start of the trend.
Yeah, but then again, if you were to catch on the start of the trend, you'd have to change your whole trading style because you wouldn't even be trading, my strategy. You'd be pretty much predicting. And what happens when you predict, you're gambling because you don't
Right.
know 100% certain that the market's going to keep on with the trend. You get me? What if it just breaks a trend when you're entering with the trend? You get me?
Yeah. No. Yeah. I agree.
So not only is it going to be risk, yeah, you can trade it, but it's going to be 100% riskier because at that point, you're not reacting to a breakout. You're just predicting that market's going to respect the trend. And that's a bad habit. If you start forming that habit, it's going to lead to forming that habit
Gambling.
and gambling. Exactly. So I might as well, brother. Like when that happens, I just don't trade it. I try to avoid it as much as I possibly can. Because then it becomes a habit, and then you're gonna end up going back, to that unprofitable or that break even stage.
Yeah.
So when that happens, like when gold moves like this, where it's just trending, what you can do is either just stay away from it and not trade that pair, or look at something else. For example, look at something else for the day. But what I've noticed is that pretty much everything is moving the same. Like when one market moves like this, all of them start moving like that out of nowhere.
Yeah, bro. Like Nas, I'm literally watching it right now, and it's doing the same
Yeah,
thing. It
Nas
goes
is doing
up,
the same thing. Look
retraces
at that.
back
Yeah,
down.
goes up, breakout, small little breakout, and then just comes back down to stop us out.
I mean, I guess this is pretty good for swing traders, maybe.
For swing traders, yes, it's good. Not for scalpers or like day traders like we are. Because we expect to get into a trade, you know, let's say for a few minutes to like an hour, right? Within those
Right.
few minutes, you're gonna get stopped out. Now, for a swing trader, you're probably in there for a few hours or a day. So if you can predict that the market's gonna go up, and you enter a good buy on the, for example, let's look at gold. On gold, you could have predicted that, the market was gonna push up from here, right? Because you're right, it reached this supply and demand zone down here, kind of respected it, formed the support, whatever you want to call it, respected it. Now you're like, okay, now gold's gonna probably push back up because it's gonna get to this, level up here at 238, and then you could have entered your buys there, and as a swing trader, you could have just held that little mini range towards the upside. But for
Right.
us, there wasn't any breakout, so we couldn't really do anything. You get me? There's different styles of
Right.
trading, and the best thing you can do is to try to master not master not I don't like not like trade every style, but at least have some type of knowledge, on different styles of trading so that you can know what to speak. You get me?
Right. Right.
And you can understand overall what's going on in the markets. Doesn't mean you have to trade that style, but at least understand what's going on. You get me? So that you're not like freaked out and you're like, oh my god, what's going on? Because like I understand what's going on. You get me? I just don't trade that style of trading. I don't like it. It's not my style. I find
Right.
it. I find that I'm more profitable trading the way I trade than trading supply and demand or trading these types of market conditions. It's
Mm-hmm.
it's tradable. I'm in a few signal rooms right now where like they're just banging take profits back to back, but that's just not my style of trading. I don't like
Right.
trading like that. We're still accumulating. Pretty much, yes, we're in that accumulation phase, if you want to call it. Accumulation, distribution, trend. And the thing about this market condition is it's not expanding right now. It's been accumulating for a whole week straight. You get me? So, yeah, that's if you want to call it an accumulation phase, I guess we can call it accumulation.
Yeah, bro. Everything's moving pretty ugly. The only thing that moved the nice was GJ, but that move was like at like 2 a.m.
Yeah, London, but I'm not gonna mess up my schedule to trade London. That's something
Nah,
I'm
yeah,
not gonna do. I've been waking up every single morning at 5 a.m. and I'm super productive. I work out first thing I do in the morning. I work out. I go into the charts. I eat my breakfast. I record some content. I'm currently about to release something on Thursday that you guys are gonna love. Um, and I'm just overall so productive waking up in the mornings and then going to sleep early like at 11. And I've been off like 4 or 5 hours of sleep, and I'm pretty productive. I'm pretty, I have a lot of energy. I don't really think you need that 8 hour, 9 hours of sleep. You don't need that, especially if you're
Nah,
young.
nah, nah. Hell no.
If you're young,
That
you don't
that
need
eight
that much
hour,
sleep.
9 hour, that just gets you like more tired.
When I sleep a lot, I personally get tired. I function the best off of like 5, 6 hours, to be honest.
Yeah, 6 hours is like optimal.
Yeah, 6 hours for me is like beautiful. Unfortunately, going to sleep at 11 or 12 and waking up at 5, I sometimes don't get it. So, but that 5 a.m. thing is a habit for me already. You know, wake up before the sun comes up. Everybody's asleep. You have so much, free time. So much time to be able to do things. Check emails. Work on your business. Work on yourself, your body, fitness.
Right.
Breakfast, everything. So, waking up at 5 a.m. is crucial for me personally, and I don't like doing it. And when I do it, just right off the bat, you're waking up and you're already doing something that's challenging for you. So like, mind, mentally, you're like, damn, I just did something that I don't like doing, but I did it. So you already feel like a winner. You get me? By accomplishing
Yeah.
something that you didn't want to do. So helps me a lot. Usually when I was trading London, yes, I would probably make a lot of money. Um, but my habits were like very bad. You're up all night. What are the options? What are the things that are up open at night? Clubs, you know, things that you shouldn't really be doing. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that was literally me doing London. I'll make some money, I would eat junk food 3, 4 a.m., go eat junk food or, go to a club or do things that I wasn't supposed to do. Yeah, I was making some money, but bro, that's not the lifestyle. I'm already past that lifestyle. I don't want that lifestyle right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 100% agree. Yeah, bro. Like even food, bro. Like
It's a
after
dead
after
lifestyle, man.
11, there's nothing.
I know a few traders that live that lifestyle, and bro, like I don't want to be like them. They might have money, they might have whatever, but that doesn't impress me. That lifestyle
Right.
it's not what I want.
Hmm. Yeah, but I think it's just gonna be one of those days where we just wait for like 1 p.m.
Yeah, but we'll wait at 9:30. Let's see what happens with the bell. 9:30 a.m. Let's see what goes on there. I know the indices are for sure gonna create a breakout because US 30 is setting up super nice. I'm down to buy or like sell US 30 here at 379 930 or buy it here at 380.50, 380.80 around this level. Does not look bad at all.
I like Nas more though. I think it just looks better. But I don't know.
Let's see, let's
Also,
look at
gold
that.
when it's been breaking out and like it doesn't retrace, it actually does its move. I've noticed that it breaks out with like a 50, 60 pip candle. So
Yeah,
like your
yeah,
stop
it's
loss
been
is gonna be what?
exactly.
50 pips?
Yeah, when it does the break, yeah, it does like a huge, like 50, 60, even like a huge candle and doesn't give you time to enter. Yeah, bro, the market's just
Doesn't
been
give you
so
time to
weird.
enter, stop loss too big.
Yeah, yeah. Then Nas looks clean, but even though it looks clean, it's still not even as clean like as we've seen the markets before. Because look, it's not even a clear range. It's doing the little mini breakout to push down, pretty much the same thing that gold does. But let's see what ends up happening at 9:30.
If you like US 30, then
I've traded it before. It moves pretty, almost the same as Nas. It's a bit faster. That's pretty much it.
I'll go for it too, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it moves the same as Nas. It's a bit faster. But I changed up my workout routine. I used to go to the gym, early in the mornings, but I feel like I rather go to the gym in the afternoons. But hit my cardio in the mornings. You get me, and that way I don't have to like start up my car early in the morning, drive to the gym, and I don't have to do all of that. Might as well just
Right.
because I have a treadmill in my garage, and then I also have I can walk, I can run around my neighborhood. So I think I'd rather do the cardio in the morning. 1 hour of cardio, boom, perfect. Around in the mornings. Do my round one. The burpees, push ups, and eat my breakfast, and pretty much be more alert with trading in the morning, since I don't really want to be driving and all of that. And then later on in the afternoon, I can probably hit my actual like weight workout. I think that's like a better routine, like
No,
something that's
yeah.
more maintainable.
I I used to do the same thing, like wake up like super early and go to the gym like first thing, but I haven't been doing that anymore. I just kind of wake up now and like I don't know, like I'm Christian, so like I pray
Yeah.
and then like I do a little bit of work, you know, like for my job
Okay, I'm
during the
Christian.
day.
I'm Christian too. I always pray too. That's like one of that's like I mean that's like the first thing I do, when I wake up. Like I'm just grateful for everything I have, pretty much.
Yeah, and like I don't know, like it just feels good starting your day like that.
Of course, that's how you should. I hate people that wake up complaining about life, man. Like you should be grateful about everything you have, even if you don't have much. You should still be grateful that you're alive and you know you're healthy. You get me?
Yeah, bro. Because also God when He sees you're grateful for the little bit you have, that's when He
Exactly.
blesses you
That's
with
when
more.
he rewards you. Exactly. I was grateful when I was broke, when I was driving my Hyundai, when I was driving, when I was living with my parents. I was still grateful. You get me? Money shouldn't be a reason why you should be grateful. To be honest, there's a lot more things to be grateful for than just money.
Hmm.
Any thoughts on Euro USD? Man, I don't trade Euro USD, but let's look at it. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. I'll tell you right off the bat, I like it. Let's see. Nico, what do you think about this?
Bro, it's kind of like I'm on it on the 30 minutes, kind of like in a range right now.
Same thing, bro. It's moving.
So it's like going up, retracing, going up a little bit, retracing.
Actually has some nice levels here, though. I'm not gonna lie. It has some nice levels around this level.
On the 4 hour, it doesn't look too bad.
1 hour doesn't either. 1 hour and 4 hour look pretty clean. Look at this. You know, it looks pretty clean.
4 hours kind of like a little Nas, you know, like if it could break above 1.06553 for a little buy up.
Okay, we can potentially catch a 20 pip move if it breaks 0.6400, and we can target 0.6600 up here. So yeah, Euro USD looks pretty clean, man.
Yeah, I see it.
I love the God talk, brother. You're welcome. 0.6200, sell speed of 0.6200, targeting 0.6. I mean 0.6 psychological we can target, to be honest. Yeah, we can catch, there's a nice risk to reward, guys. We can catch 20 pip towards the upside, 20 pip towards the downside. That's the thing about Euro USD, that Euro USD doesn't really give you those massive moves. It just, with 20 pips, you should be comfortable with Euro USD. That's the thing about those pairs. It's not one of those pairs that like gold, that women like minutes, you'll be able to catch 40, 60, 80, 100 pips or GJ. Euro USD, a 20 pip move for Euro USD, it's like an equivalent of like 60 with gold. It doesn't move as much, but it looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie. 4 hour looks super nice. Let me see. 1 hour also looks pretty nice, and I might favorite it because it does look super nice. And a lot of beginners here that on my live streams, I actually recommend them to trade Euro USD, since it's the best moving Forex pair for New York session. It's one of the cleanest moving pairs during New York. And it's like I said, it's one of those pairs that's not too volatile. Like with a 20 pip move, you should be good. So for anybody who's new in my live streams and it's starting to get started, it's starting to trade now, I would recommend you guys overall to trade no indices 100%. And of course, I don't recommend you guys to trade gold. Now, if you want to trade something that isn't too volatile and moves super clean during New York, Euro USD is the pair to go to start with 100%. And it's also the most traded Forex pair in the industry, aside from GJ. GJ traders are crazy. Like, those people are psychopaths. They trade them during London session, and pretty much everyone from the eastern side of the world, so like Europe, everybody over there trades GJ. The US, if you trade GJ, you're a psychopath because you're just up during the whole London session, up at night. Yeah, but Euro USD is 100%. If you're in the US and you trade New York, Euro USD, it's probably the best moving pair during New York. Move slow, you can apply proper risk management, and you can trade it.
I'm pretty sure that the people like over there in the West Coast, like California and all, I'm pretty sure that they could trade GJ.
Yeah,
yes, crazy.
if they're up late, because London for them opens at 12 a.m. for them is when London opens. So
that's still pretty late.
Yeah, that's still pretty late. They're gonna have to be up pretty late. They'll be going to sleep like at 1 or 2 a.m. Yeah, no, I don't like it. I don't like that. And then it sucks for them even more because New York for them opens at 6 a.m. Yeah.
Nah, if I was them, I really wouldn't go to sleep, like if I'm trading like GJ. I'd just stay up like the whole time.
Yeah, no, London sessions for them are crazy, especially if you trade both London and New York. You'd really have to be up all night.
The people having the best are like the ones in Dubai, because
no, not even.
GJ.
I've looked at the times. The best time is the people who lived in Japan, the Asian traders for sure. Thailand, Japan, China, bro. They have New York at 1 p.m. and they have London like at 11 a.m., 10 a.m. So, and then at night is Asia when they're sleeping. So obviously there's no movement or anything. They don't have to do anything.
Nah, that is like perfect.
That's perfect, yeah.
Yeah, that is.
They can trade London and New York perfectly in the afternoons. And they don't even have to wake up super early. They can literally wake up at 9 a.m., 10 a.m. You can sleep all morning and you'll still be on time for every session, pretty much.
I have to go to Japan.
Yeah, they have the best for trading. Thailand too. I mean, I've thought of it, man. I've thought of going to Thailand for a few months, and just staying there, record some fire content for you guys, and trading over there.
That would be crazy though. Thailand. I wouldn't be able to personally.
Yeah.
I just like like Miami too much.
No, yeah, 100%. I'd say Miami is the best city in the world. I haven't gone to Dubai, but from what I've heard, I think Dubai would be like the second best.
Yeah, yeah. I've been, bro. It's crazy. Like you're driving on the highway and you just see Bugatti dealerships, like 5, 6 cents, bro. That's like junk change for them, bro.
The thing about, I don't want to really talk too much about religion or culture. I just like Miami. Well, there's really no religion or culture in Miami. It's pretty much mixed. The U.S., like, there's no like standard religion in the U.S. It's pretty much
It used to
mixed.
be Christian, but that was like
You
years
used to be Christian, but nowadays it's a mix of everybody. Dubai is just straight
ago.
up, Muslim, and then a lot of European countries are Christian,
Or Catholic.
yeah, or Catholic.
Nah, but I like Dubai because like even though I don't like agree with their religion and all, but like religion is very centralized for them. So
That's
like
what
you
I
could
like.
just
They
tell
have
them,
a lot of order, exactly. So if you're
yeah,
Muslim, bro,
exactly.
Dubai is the best place you can go.
100%.
100%. If you're Muslim, man, Dubai is the best place you can live. 100%.
Hmm. From the way things look, I think New York's gonna open and Nasdaq's gonna keep pushing down.
Let's see what ends up happening. I've been thinking that going to Thailand for a while, cost of living is low of a couple grand. You can make it, yeah, 100%. That's why I was thinking about going to Thailand. Literally with 10K, you're set for a few months, I'd say. Thailand's cool, plus the Muay Thai gyms. I want to get in shape first, and 100%. The Muay Thai gyms, the kickboxing, the content I can get you guys for YouTube and Instagram will be insane. I'll be doing like crazy vlogs, of course I'll be staying with my disciplined habits, waking up at 5 a.m., training fasted, cardio on the beach, training in the afternoons in a Thailand in a Muay Thai gym. That would be insane.
It's out of a movie.
Yeah, that would be pretty dope. And it's super cheap. I've heard like you can get a meal there for like $3, $2, $3, and you get a whole full meal.
Bro, it's cheaper
There's
than
villas.
McDonald's.
There's villas in Thailand for like 200K, 300K. You don't get that here in Miami.
That's crazy that the food's that cheap over there, bro.
Yeah,
Like not
and
even
it's
McDonald's is as cheap.
real. It's real like organic food. Like it's real
Yeah,
food.
bro. McDonald's ain't even cheap anymore, and it's just a bunch of junk.
Yeah, I don't eat McDonald's.
Oh no, I used to eat McDonald's, but that was classic like munchies food.
Yeah, Airbnb is like 20 a night. Yep. Let me know if you guys have gone to Thailand in the chat. Let me know how your experience was.
Bro, Nas, bro, just push up.
That's the beautiful thing about trading. A lot of people that still work jobs here in the live stream are probably like, damn, what the fuck? These people are crazy talking about going all these places. But that's the thing. Like when you're a trader, you make money in whatever part of the world you want, and that's when you're gonna realize, you know, the benefits that trading has. Once you become profitable and you can see the freedom that you have, I can literally go anywhere in the world and I'll still be able to make money because I know that I don't have to wake up early to clock into my job. I don't have to be in a physical place every single day of the week to make money. I can literally go right now, book a flight anywhere in the world, and I'll be able to make money. It's the crazy thing about trading. And as long as there's internet, I can also live stream. I can from anywhere in the world. So, bro, I'm from the hood. Ain't never been to no Thailand. Hey man, you gotta switch up that mindset. You probably were born in the hood, but that doesn't mean you're gonna have to remain in the hood. You can get out of it. It all depends up to you. What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
I'm live streaming, bro. What's good? You're on YouTube?
Nah, bro, I'm not trading. Just fuck. Looking down. It's disgusting.
Yeah, bro. Nas is fucking wild.
Everything looks super
Yeah.
ugly. Yeah.
Dude, my signal room literally looks like if you look at my free chat, it looks like. Sorry guys, not trade today. Sorry guys, not trade today, bro. It's just like there's no trades. Like I don't know what to tell people.
No, yeah, I know. If there's no trade, there's no trade. Bro, people gotta understand. Bro, I have people that literally don't know anything about trading. They paid for my signal room. They message me, yo, when are you gonna send the trade?
I think you're lazy,
Bro, like
where the fuck are my signals at?
yeah, like I can't do anything. They just don't
Bro,
understand.
Listen, it's like Neo. Give him the pill. Like, listen, I'll lose you 2% on your account today, or we'll wait and I'll make you 10% on your account the next day.
Exactly.
If there's a choose.
Yeah, I have people messaging me, yo, like, when are you gonna send out a trade? Bro, like, I literally can't. If I send out a trade, we're gonna lose it.
Yeah, let me bribe the market makers so they push this into my, ideal entry level. Like, I don't know. There's nothing that could be done.
All right, 9:30.
I mean,
Let's
I
see
guess
what's going on.
You could trade a different instrument, but I'm kind of weird about that because if I trade NAS and I'm profitable in NAS, if I start moving to something else, like they say right now, I was like, okay,
That's what I'm scared of.
gold.
Yep, that's what I'm scared of,
Right?
bro.
Then I send some bullshit ass signal and people are gonna be pissed, right? And it's gonna be purely because of the fact that I haven't traded gold in literally like 6 months.
Yep. That's what I'm scared of
But
too,
I
about
think-
switching over to other
Yeah.
pairs. That's what we were talking about earlier. Like, I usually just trade gold. And today, for the first time in months, I'm looking at US 30, I'm looking at NAS, I'm looking at Euro USD, and I'm looking at GJ.
Yes, I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea because you just gonna end up forcing a trade. It's as doing that is as good as like forcing the trade on the current chart that you don't like.
Yeah.
Because you're literally forcing yourself to get into a position. Like the world is telling you, yeah, there's nothing for you today. You're like, no, I'm gonna find something.
Facts. I agree with you. Have you seen
I
gold though?
just-
Like, have you seen how gold's moving? Oh, it's so bad.
Looked in a week.
Yo, super bad.
Yeah,
I haven't been able to send out a signal on gold like this whole week. I sent one today and we hit stops.
What the fuck is that candle? Holy shit!
Yeah.
You see, if you look, you see the 4-hour chart. You see the candle on at 9 in the morning
Yeah, it looks terrible.
of April 24th.
Yeah, this one right here.
No, not April 24th. Excuse me, April 15th.
Why are you going so back?
Oh, yeah.
See that doji there?
That's all like barely any candle.
Yeah. That wick over there. You know what you do have on gold though? You have some insane you have some insane rejection right now. On both ends.
I was looking at the 4-hour on gold. The 4-hour actually looks pretty nice.
It does.
It
Like
looks-
the levels
Right?
look perfect.
You're looking at the 4-hour, right? The 4-hour actually looks pretty nice, yeah.
It does. Look at my I'm gonna share my screen. I'm on my
I
phone.
think this is like perfect for a swing trader. Like
Yup.
it's 4 hour.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
4-hour
exactly.
does look super clean.
You see my phone? Look. Like right here, this level looks pretty nice. Right up here. So you have like you have a lot of rejection up here. And then you have this rejection from, you see this candle right here? This little doji one.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I guess here in this market condition, I mean you're just pushing up, so the smartest thing would be to sell. I think the smartest thing
Sell?
to do is
Bro.
no, buy. Excuse me, buy.
Bye, yeah.
Over here, yeah, you're just going straight up.
I'm like,
So-
bro, what are you selling?
My bad, bro. My brain is fried right now. I need to eat. Yeah, no, I'd buy. I try to buy some here. It's just, the only problem is, it looks cleaner to sell, but the market does not at all agree with that bias. Like,
I
where
don't
would you
know.
buy it down here? It's just like you have like this a
Bro, overall, it's
consolidation
just
here.
super inflated. Like, I just don't like the market at all. I'm not gonna trade it.
Yeah, it's weird right now.
Can you stop sharing? Because it's glitched for me. Like, I can't look at anything else other than your chart. I bet.
That's all you need to look at, bro. It's all good.
Damn, bro. Yeah, bro. 4 hour looks very nice.
Yeah, the 4 hour on gold looks nice, but that's pretty much it. Look at
What's
US
my
30. The
thinking
30
rate?
minute on the US 30 looks really nice too.
I don't know, bro. You know what the problem with this type of thinking is, though? It's kind of like it's like a drug addict like trying to reassure themselves that it's okay to do something. Like we're just looking at these time frames trying to find a reason to get in. Like, bro, if you don't look, if it doesn't align with other time frames, then you obviously should trade it. Right? If you only have one, like if the 30 minutes telling you to sell, but like literally every other time frame is not, like obviously you're just forcing the trade.
You know who just
So that's-
texted
I
me?
think US 30 looks pretty nice for sales right now, or like soonish.
You know who just texted me?
Huh?
This
Who?
guy, Anthony's World.
Anthony's World?
Yeah, I don't know why.
The white guy with the tats?
Yeah.
I know why. That could only be one reason.
I have a buy stop at 2384 on gold.
A buy stop at 2.
The thing about this, like, I have to, like, I'm forced to trade gold forever. It's because my nickname on my Discord is literally XAU Pope. If I start trading something else, that nickname wouldn't make sense. Well, what's my name gonna be? US 30 King or something? Or there's already too many. Like, there's a lot of people named US 30 something on social media.
You're gonna look at.
Bro, gold is doing the
That's
same
dirty.
thing all over again.
The US 30 looks nice to sell.
Yeah, look at that. I know it looks. I'm about to sell this, bro. It looks super nice.
For real? Yeah.
Yeah, hold
Because
up.
we're trading under all EMAs. Well,
Bro,
not all, but two
it's
major
up.
ones.
I just need that candle closure, bro.
How much you wanna bet the candle's just gonna close way too far?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think you should set US 30. I wouldn't recommend it.
What do we sell? What's the worst that can happen?
No.
Me losing like 5K?
Yeah. No, everyone losing 5K. That's the worst that could happen.
Yo, I'm about to sell, guys.
Bro.
Yeah,
I tell you?
I'm in the cells, guys. I'm in the cells.
You're a
I'm
thief,
up.
dog.
I'm up $300. I'm up $100.
Alright,
500.
Close.
Oh my gosh.
All right, guys. I'm up $100, guys. 900. I'm close. I'm up a band. I'm up 1,700. Boom. Just closed it, guys. I'm up $700. Just quick scalp.
Yeah, that's the hard rock position.
Bro, I knew this was gonna happen. Bro.
No, you guys have time. You guys have time. Just close a quick trade with $700.
I'm so tired. Bro, I slept 2 hours. Holy shit.
Nah. Bro, you texted me at 4 a.m.
I'm dying.
Let me see.
You saw that? That was the Koenigsegg I was talking to you about. Fucking the Gamera.
I don't like Koenigsegg that much.
Yeah, but the Gamera is crazy.
All right, guys. I made a sell on I'm gonna sell on US 30. Guys, I'm literally like, if you guys see the live stream, you can see the trades and you know exactly when I'm entering. I'm up $1,400 right now.
No stop loss.
No, I do, relax. Stop loss. Let's put our stop loss at 379.50. Oh, I'm up $1,000, 1,300. Close it. Just keeps, bro. It's honestly just consolidating. And I'm currently trading inside this little manipulation that's going on. I'm up 1,000, guys. Just made 1%. And there's a 100K account. Hold it. Yeah, it looks like it's melting. It's gonna melt, guys.
Yeah, I got in.
I'm up 1%, guys. Like, I literally just made my goal for the day. For those of you guys telling me to hold it, we don't have a candle closure. You know, it could really just push back up, and you know we might get stopped out.
Hitting 2 EMAs right now, like literally right now.
Nico, if you're in the trade, bro, I'd recommend to. It's gonna push to 37,820. The only reason I closed early is because I mean I was already up my percentage goal, and then aside from that, I don't have my candle closure confirmation, so I just didn't want to risk it. I just want to get in and out quick. Just quick scalp position, you got me. But overall, it does look super nice. If you're up your percentage already, your goal, close it. If not, hold it and just try to move your stops to break even if it's far away already from your whatever your price is at. That way you're not risking anything.
I'm just going for 1%.
Damn, if I would have held this trade, I would have been up by a lot right now. Probably would have been up like 3%.
Going to the 50 MA right now. Let's see how it reacts to that.
Yeah, things get rejected off of it.
Sure.
I'm up $1,000 for the day.
If it breaks, because there's 2 EMAs there. If it breaks past those, I think it could possibly get to 37,780.
37. I think it's gonna reach 37,800 first.
Oh,
37,800. Yeah, I mean it should reach 37,800. I don't know if it's gonna reach that level that you're talking about right now. We have Jerome Powell speaking later.
Perfect.
That means that gold's gonna buy up. I mean, on
That
that
means, yeah.
hopefully.
I'm just gonna flip a coin later. Whatever lands on, I'm gonna fucking do. I'm about to go get a brown sugar shaken espresso. Let's get a smack. Need that right now.
Nico, how up are you on the US 30 trade?
I'm only up like almost 0.5%.
Okay.
I wouldn't get too greedy with it, bro. Like, literally, today should have been a day that no one should have made anything. Alright? It should have been like a nothing day.
I just wanted to trade my account already because I had funded up to have like 100K, and bro, it was like my first trade. I wanted to take something from the account, so at least for my first trade I made $1,000, 1%.
Like, question now, how much you want to fucking bet it gets exactly where I said? How much you want to bet?
Yeah, it's gonna get 37,800.
Huh?
There's an order block. There's an order block at 37,800.
Fuck up, bro. Get the fuck up.
Bro, yo, but hold up. What is this?
Hold up, guys, there's a divergence. I said so.
But how much you want to bet that there's people right now looking at the 15-minute chart and saying that there's an order block at 37,800?
Yeah, I already know. I feel like you could just say it and like it'll magically there'll probably just be one there.
No, but there is, because I know smart money. Like, that's an order block. There's an order block in the 15-minute time frame at
Yeah, it is.
37,800.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. Like it's literally in between the order block right now, in the middle of it, right?
It hasn't reached it yet. It's about to reach it.
Which one? 37,800?
Yeah, 37,820 is like it's a
Yeah.
15-minute
Yeah.
order
You're
block.
talking about the 3760 all the way to the 37,800 820, right? The
Yeah,
little, yeah.
that's an order block according to like these
Yeah.
traders.
Yeah, and also a fair value gap in that same order block.
Really?
What the fuck? What
Yup.
is the fair value gap?
Damn, W, hold it. W, let's go, guys. W's in the chat. Let me know who got into this trade because you're 100% up. We caught the sells, and I personally closed because I closed 1%. I made my quick ban, but I see a lot of you guys, dropping W's in the chat. So, you guys made money. Dump. You have any update for the fun challenge accounts? Fun challenge accounts. What do you mean? Fun. What do you mean? Any updates on the fun challenge accounts?
I closed 2. I rejected at 50.
All right, yo, we got the candle closures. Probably gonna do a retest now and continue pushing down because, for example, we already know the market moves from zone to zone. There's already no zone where it closed right now, so it's gonna do a retest back at entry to 37,930 to potentially push down to that order block. No, like I'm super serious right now. It's like I don't want to call it order, but it's our zone. That's literally our zone. But that same area that we have our zone marked up, there's an order block. So why not say it?
Yeah, I mean,
Actually, I think that one's called a breaker block because it got invalidated with the latest push up.
Interesting.
Yeah, so now it's like a breaker block with a fair value gap in it.
Holy shit!
What
man.
exactly is a fair value gap?
Bro, it's like when you look right now on the 15th at the Tuesday 16th, April 24th, 6 a.m. on the 15-minute. You see how the candle after that and before that, there's like a gap between it?
Yeah.
That's a fair value gap, like between the wicks.
Oh, okay.
The bottom wick and the top wick.
Okay.
It's like right at that like order block kind of.
What's the purpose of a breaker block? What's the difference between a breaker block and an order block?
Bro, I don't know. I never got to that section like in the old course. Like I just quit, bro. Like halfway.
That was it's like you're learning a fucking magic spell.
Yeah, bro. Like
This is the thing with trading. They overcomplicate it so much to the point where like you will get some like analytical hell, right? Where you just never take a trade, and look, it's breaking fast right now.
Exactly.
'cause
Oh,
Dorian
Pablo,
left
the reason why,
trading.
Pablo, the reason why your chart, you're telling me different numbers, and I'm like, no, bro, it's different numbers because we're looking at different US 30s.
I look at the best one. Which one do you use?
I'm on the trade locker one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on the trade locker one. Yeah. We're probably talking about the same level too. That's the thing. You're the one that we were arguing over earlier. But it's probably just it's the same level, just different numbers.
Right now it's trading at 37,833.
Yeah, right now it's about to reach to where I want it to reach, which is in my chart is 37,800 flat. For you, it's probably I don't know. It's about to reach that level.
37,830 right now, like flat.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I have like we have like a little 30 pip difference, I think. 30-point
Okay,
difference.
so you're at 800 right now, or you're
I'm at 37,830.
right now.
Yeah.
yeah, we should have closed.
That's literally what I'm at right now.
Oh, that's weird.
Damn,
Yeah,
should have.
I mean, I told you guys, bro. The US 30 King is here. No. I think it should. Come out. I think it'll go at least. If it has enough volume. Granted, to 37,780.
You have any? The ones you are passing for us, brother. I mean, I don't know if you've been on the live stream, but I haven't been able to trade this whole week. The markets are super choppy. Unless you want me to take those trades on your account. But yeah, I just haven't traded none of the accounts.
Have any of you guys traded SPX?
I don't trade. I don't trade
I
SPX.
don't.
I heard it's like
Yeah,
super ugly.
Yeah, super.
yeah,
For
'cause
me, it's
you
too
don't
slow.
trade that marginally, bro. In my opinion, you shouldn't trade it marginally. The only way you would trade SPX is through options, in my opinion. I think that's badass for options. But anything other than that,
I mean,
it's
every
just
option trader trades SPX. That's really how I trade.
yeah. I think NAS is the happy medium because US 30. The problem with US 30 is that sometimes it moves way too quick. So I find that NAS is the more technical out of the two. Right? SPX is just a very slow mover compared to the others, but US 30 is too fast.
Up
So
1% for
NAS
the
is a
day.
happy
I'm out.
medium.
Yes, sir. I'm currently up 1% as well. But yeah, the trade I called out, super quick. I basically called out a scalp, played out. We called it out around 37,930 and it pushed to 37, yeah, like 50, almost 100 points.
What's someone mad about that you're not trading their account?
Yeah, and someone was just saying, like, when am I going to trade on his account? I mean, bro, it's really nothing I can do.
Gotta be patient, bro. Listen, you pay someone for their expertise, and patience is part of expertise.
You know what someone did once? I was up on their, I was literally about to pass it, right? But then it took me a week for like the last, I just needed 2% to pass it. Took me like I did it like in a week. I made them like 8% in a week, and then the last percentage it took me a little bit longer because at the end the market was getting super choppy and I just wanted to be careful with that last trade. Bro, the guy got impatient because I didn't trade his account for one extra week and he ended up blowing the account. He just started taking trades on his own after paying me. Like, bro, why?
Sheesh.
Like, what's the point of that? What's the point of paying me for a service that I'm obviously about to pass to then just trade yourself on it and then blow the account? And
I
it's due to
think
patience.
people
I
like
think that's literally a big crucial thing about trading that a lot of people don't have. Like 90% of traders lack patience. That's like one of the most
not
important
me,
things.
bro. I've had times where I wouldn't take a trade for like 2 weeks. Like I do
Bro,
not give a fuck.
yeah, like
I'm
I've had
stubborn,
same.
bro. If you know me, you know I'm stubborn. I do not give a fuck. It will get into the exact level that I want to trade. Nothing more or less.
How
That's
many of
just
the
how I
people
trade.
you pass accounts for actually kept the account? So I've passed say more than 50 accounts in like my whole career of like challenge passing and stuff. Passed over like 50. And some people have gotten payouts. Some people, obviously, they end up blowing it because they don't have the experience of passing it themselves or trading. They just want a quick. They want me to pass the account. They don't know nothing about trading. Then in their first few trades, they end up blowing it. Now that's the downside of when you pay for someone to pass your account. If you're not a trader and you're paying someone to pass your account, yeah, you might get your challenge pass, but if you don't know how to trade, you're not gonna get to your first payout. That's the problem. Now, if the only reason I would recommend, or the only way I would recommend for someone to pay for a challenge passing service is if you already know how to trade, you're just super busy and you just have multiple accounts and you just want, hey bro, here's $1,000. I want you to pass this account for me because I want it passed already. But I already know how to trade, and then perfect. I'll pass them the account, and then you have a past account, and within your first payout you'll be able to get a withdrawal or a payout. But if you don't know how to trade at all, bro, don't pay me to pass an account, because you're gonna blow it after it's passed, and then you're obviously gonna get mad.
Yeah. I think paying for services in this industry should always be convenience based and never like need based, unless it's like education, of course, because education you just kind of need. But if you are forced, if you physically cannot ever pass an account unless you pay someone, then that's an issue in it
That's an
itself.
issue because, bro, if you can't pass an account yourself, and you're paying someone to pass an account, like, bro, when it's time to trade on that live account, you're
And
not
then it's
gonna.
time to make the money, like the most
Yeah,
important part. Because realistically, look, this is the
it's
thing.
just a
Because a lot
shortcut.
of
Like how I
people,
see it, paying someone to pass an account is just a quick shortcut. Even you're already profitable, but you just want another shortcut to have multiple accounts funded. It's great. I do it too. But
yeah,
if you don't know how to trade, bro, don't do it.
I think it's just convenient. You know what I mean?
Unless
It's kind of
unless whoever's passing your account also includes management afterwards, where they'll manage your account after it's passed. That's a different story because that right there, then that's just passive. That's basically passive income that you're getting every month.
yeah. It's just rare for someone to do that because I mean,
Exactly.
realistically, you guys have to think about it like this. Like, look. let's say you have $100,000 account, you got a profit split with FTMO or whatever broker. I mean, whatever platform you're using, Alpha, for example, right? And on top of profit splitting, now you got a profit split with Kev, right?
Yeah.
So in reality, right, it's not even worth it for Kevin unless he's managing a lot of people at that very instance and putting them on a copy trader. Because if he's just doing one by one, why wouldn't he just, if he had the ability to pass your account and on top of that get a payout, why wouldn't he do it on his own account and then get all of the money for himself? You get me? Unless he's feeling generous. Like, there's literally no point to managing someone's account unless it's actual capital. Like, if it's physical money that you guys put in a broker, that's different. You
Why
know what I
can
mean?
people like Owanda? It's a US broker that still use MT4. Is it expensive to maintain a license? Uh, Pablo, you know how to answer that?
What's the question?
Why can people be like Owanda Owanda is a US broker that still use MT4. Is it expensive to maintain a license? I think he's referring to a lot of
Oh,
these
I'll tell you why.
unregulated
I'll tell you.
brokers. Why can't they be
I,
like Owanda?
yeah, I'll explain. So the reason why most people don't trade Owando, first and foremost, it's because you're not allowed the same amount of leverage on U.S. regulated brokers as you would be on a offshore broker. So like you won't see, and like look right now, go on Owando, go anywhere. You're not going to see a single broker that offers like a 1 to 500 leverage, but on any, literally almost every single offshore broker you do. Also, on top of that, if they're regulated in the US, right, they have heavy restrictions. So let's say for me, for example, the reason I don't trade regulated brokers is obviously I'd rather trade a US regulated broker. That's the most secure broker you guys can trade, right? But unfortunately, you're not going to have a lot of the things you're used to trading. You're only going to be able to trade the major Forex pairs. You're not going to be able to trade like most of them, right? You can't trade US 30 and NAS 100, right? Because CFDs are too fast moving, right? They're considered like they're too high risk of an instrument and they won't allow them to trade it on a Forex broker, right? So that's the problem. You're gonna have to go into futures, right? So there's a lot of like intricacies when it comes to the broker you're choosing, but that's why most people tend to use an offshore broker. That's why you guys always have to look at the only real metric that you can measure the validity of an offshore broker is who's backing it. Because in reality, there is no U.S. jurisdiction on an offshore broker. So you got to make sure that the people who are behind the broker are reputable. Like to say, would you guys join a broker if you didn't know, like Kevin used it, for example, and you guys follow Kevin? No, right? Because you wouldn't really know. Because if Kevin's not willing to put his capital at risk, why should you put yours at risk? Something to think about. But yeah, that's why most people wouldn't use Honda. But if you're gonna only trade the major Forex pairs, you could go ahead with Honda. It's not a bad choice.
I think the closest you can get and the best is, just move over to futures and trade Top Step. I think that would be like the best option. If
I
you're
got a homie
if
right
you
now
care
telling me
if you care so much about being regulated, the best regulated option that you can take is moving to futures and go with Top Step or Apex.
Yeah. And they actually pay out too, I'm pretty sure.
Exactly,
Like
because
they're legit.
it's futures. Yeah,
but they have to pay up, bro.
they're regulated by
they're regulated
Cymex
to
and
pay out.
the Chicago Exchange, I believe, or something.
Yeah, the only issue you run into those type of firms is the daily loss or the total loss that's allowed in those accounts is a lot more slim than what you guys are used to with FTMO. So not only it's a better option, right? In my opinion, because it's U.S. regulated. Or I wouldn't say better. I don't really think you categorize them as better. I just think it's another option, right? But the problem is you guys gotta be a badass trader because you're not gonna be allowed to lose 10% anymore. Your max loss is usually like 6% on those accounts, right? So you're getting around half of what you're used to. Well, not half, but like around 40% less. So you really got to dial your shit in if you really want
Also,
to be
chat.
able
Chat. Let me ask you guys: did you guys enjoy the live stream today? The fact that I wasn't using TradingView, that I was just showing you guys my trade locker, and you guys were able to see exactly when I was entering the trade or not, or do you
Damn,
prefer
look
the
at
old
that.
way? You like this way now, right? I feel like this
Nas
way
is
I
about to
can be
break
more
out of that
transparent.
range.
I feel like this way I can be a lot more transparent with you guys. You guys already saw when I was entering that US 30 sell, and I made like 1,000.
Bro, I need food. I have a hole in my stomach right now. Jesus.
Prop firms are being super unreliable lately. Alpha, I haven't had any problems with them, and I've had a bunch of students already getting paid out of them. They
It's
do
like I said,
interviews
bro.
like every other week, you know. So
You gotta make sure that there's people behind it. Cause just be realistic,
oh
bro.
yeah,
Like every
look,
week
Goat's
is
breaking
dropping off.
the channel. Yo, look what Goat's doing.
And look at Nas. Nas wants to break out too.
Let me look at my baby. Hold up.
Yeah, there's finally some
That's
volume
fine.
coming in.
Yeah, it's pushing back up. It's pushing towards that double top
So
right
if I'm
now.
being honest with you guys, so far from what I've seen, all the brokers, I'm not gonna say all, but like at least the ones I use that are using Trade Locker, there hasn't been any issues. Alpha, when it comes to prop firms, two prop firms that I've seen that has literally no issues or haven't seen nobody complain so far is top tier and Alpha. What platform do they both use? Trade Locker. When it comes to brokers, I'm using 24K markets. Any issues? Not yet. Not any so far, and they're using Trade Locker. So I don't know if that has to do, if that has to do anything with the legitness behind a company or anything, but so far from what I've seen, the brokers or the platforms that are operating on Trade Locker have been super reliable so far. And they have pretty
Gold's
big
about to
influencers
sell.
behind them too.
I think Nas was about to buy.
Gold, we got a breakout, bro. Now the thing about entering on sells here is I wouldn't the candle like you said is too big. We would need a retest
Yeah,
again. We'll need a
huge.
retest off of like 2371, 2370 around there to then push back down. Nas looks ugly. Tried to break, didn't break it.
Yup, it
Rejected.
didn't.
Yeah, rejected on the 15. Gold on the 15, we did get the break of the trend, but we would need a retest to enter on those breaking retests
Yeah.
towards the downsides. US
I wouldn't
30,
force Nas anymore.
yeah, Nas, I don't know, looks weird. US 30, we already had it smooth. It already had it smooth. Look at that. We broke deep below, we melted, we got the retest, and it's now pushing down on, doing a continuation towards the downside. And my camera died. Just realized. Let me see.
Oh, look at gold. It's retesting right now.
Alright, hello. Perfect. I see a famous Spanish artist following Alpha Trader. Who is that? Who's the famous Spanish artist that's following Alpha Trader? He always with Anuel. Was pretty cool to notice that. Oh, I know who you're talking about. Forgot his name. Yeah, I know who you're talking about. There's a few celebrities that follow Alpha. Hassan Whiteside, he's a former Miami Heat player.
Oh yeah. He's always hanging out with Alex.
Yeah. Alex always hanging out with him, with Anuel, and all those people.
Oh, Anuel too? That's crazy.
Yeah. Anuel's a funded trader of Alpha, bro. Nah, I'm playing. I don't know.
Nah, he for sure uses his own capital.
Nah, probably has, bro. He probably has someone managing their capital, to be honest. Bro, I don't think Anuel has time to trade. He does not have time to trade. Bro,
Yeah,
you know how
yeah,
stressful it
yeah,
is to
that
be a
too.
rapper? Like, big like him, bro. He has to do tours all the time. He has to record in the studio. He has to memorize the lyrics for all those songs. Bro, he has to do a lot. Those people do not have time to trade. Rob G's is his name. You said Roger. No, it's not Roger. His name is Rob G's. Rob G's is the guy that's friends with Manuel. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, think about gold doing that retracement right now.
Looks nice. Breaking reads will be super nice here. Super, super nice. I'm already up 1%, bro. I'm not going to trade anymore. But if that does happen, I might call out to trade in the signal room. But yeah, guys, again, for those of you that I'm passing accounts for, it's also taking me a lot longer since a lot of those accounts that you guys sent me are Trade Locker accounts, and through Trade Locker, I don't have a copy trader, so I manually have to enter all those trades one by one on each account, And aside from just not being any trades this week, I also have to trade them one by one on the accounts. So that's another reason why it's taking so long. But for the accounts that are on MT4, MT5, those are on a copy trader. Those are easy. Those should get passed faster. But now again, you have the risk of, MetaTrader being MetaTrader and like the whole regulations and all of that going on right now. Gold's doing his retest right now. I think I might be ending the live stream, guys.
I'm trying to be patient, but I kind of want to sell.
No, don't. It looks nice to sell. What do you think, Nico? Should we risk it?
I'm down, bro. I'm a risk taker, bro. That's one thing about me. Maybe it's sometimes not a good thing, but
No,
I'm
it's
down.
not a good thing. It has to push more up, bro. It has to do its retest. It has to do its full retest. If it gets to 23.71, then I might sell.
Almost there, but almost touched it. There we go.
I'm gonna turn on a small 3 lot.
What happened to Adrian? He always used to be like on.
I don't know. He hasn't
I haven't seen
responded
him in a
anymore.
minute.
Alright, I'm in sales, guys, for gold. I entered the sales. I have to stay on the live stream for a little bit longer now since I'm already in the sales. I don't know what's up with him. I think, remember, he used to be in like the army or something. He probably got busy.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, he used to be in the army.
I'm up $70 right now. Up $100, 150. $200, $300.
Needs to create a bottom wick.
Yeah, beautiful. I think I'm gonna hold this trade, bro, to be honest, till like 23.68. 23, where did we enter? 23.70? 20, yeah, I'm gonna close at 23.68. Currently like 10 pips in profit right now. About to close. Boom, $500. Got my account to 1.5% for the day.
I think it could go up to 23.55 potentially on the. Oh wait, I'm on the 15. Never mind.
Guys, this is my scalping portfolio. This is my live account. I'm not on a prop firm. That's the only reason why I'm doing these scalps. If I was on a prop firm, then it would be a different story. But look, we just got to 23.66. Beautiful sell. Yo, big W's in the chat. We've been 2-0 in the live stream today. Let me know if you guys caught those sells. Yo, Nico, if you caught those sells, you're up 40 pips.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
You're good for the day, bro. Don't even trade anymore.
Yeah, I'm about to close. Yeah, close, bro. Hell no. Got out of there.
I made 1,500 today. Not bad for my first day trading on this account. Trade Locker it's a little laggy sometimes.
It is. It's pretty laggy.
Man, I'm about to eat breakfast. I haven't ate anything. I appreciate all of you guys for joining the live stream. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Live stream schedule is Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. And, I'll be using Trade Locker a lot more now. And you guys will be able to see my trades live on screen. And as you guys see, I just made 1,500 today on the live stream. First time you guys are able to see me trade, actually live. But I appreciate all of you guys. Too late on getting in the trade. Yeah, it was a super quick scalp. I appreciate all of you guys for joining. You want more trades, you want VIP access to the community, there's a link in the description below to the VIP signal room and the Discord where you'll be able to enter the live trading floor like my students here. But I appreciate all you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys.
Sounds good. Yo, are you gonna be on for the